Endocrine control is mediated by hormones, and we all know hormones are essential for the maintenance of normal physiological functions throughout life. We often talk about hormones causing different variations in our bodies. But what are hormones? Hormones are chemical messengers secreted from endocrine gland cells into circulation that enter the blood, which carries them from their site of secretion to the cells upon which they act. The cells a particular hormone influences are the target cells for that hormone, where they produce physiologic responses. Hormones also tell our body cells and organs what to do, but sometimes they often get a bad rap because of association with some of our less happy moments. I mean, does anyone enjoy the onset of puberty? Well, as girls and boys enter puberty, they develop striking differences in physical appearance and behavior. Perhaps no other period in life so dramatically shows the powerful impact of hormones in directing the development and regulating body functions. In girls, estrogens promote the accumulation of adipose tissues in the breasts and hips, sculpting a feminine shape. At the same time or a little later, increasing testosterone in boys begins to help build muscle mass and enlarge the vocal cords, producing a lower-pitched voice. These changes are just a few examples of the powerful influence of hormone secretions. Less dramatically, perhaps multitudes of hormones help maintain homeostasis daily. They regulate the activity of smooth muscles and cardiac muscles. Hormones also regulate the secretions of gland cells. Hormones can alter the rate of metabolism, spur growth and development, influence reproductive processes, and control the sleep-wake cycle. In short, hormones impact almost every aspect of our daily lives, ensuring that our bodies maintain a delicate balance required for our health and survival. We will discuss every single step involved in the endocrine control of hormones, starting from classes of hormones, synthesis of hormones, hormone transport in blood, hormone metabolism and excretion, mechanism of action of hormones, and control of hormones. So this is about the introduction of hormones in endocrine control. The upcoming sections of the video included detailed knowledge and concepts of the topic involving endocrine control. Stay connected and keep watching.
Have you ever heard of video books? sqadia.com is delighted to present video books, medical books that have been tailored into a series of videos. sqadia.com videos are presented in the same order as the book's chapters. Explore now and make your learning easy.